Hello everyone, this is our Wi-Fi wall clock hidden camera. The accessory includes a wall clock, a USB charge, a use menu, and a reset pin, a screw. Look at the clock. Here is the camera. Here is SD card slot. Here is reset hole. Okay, follow me to use the camera. Step 1. Download from Apple. Scan the QR code on the use menu. The app will be downloaded. You can also search for Basecamp Pro on Google Play or App Store. C is Basecamp Pro Apple. Step 2. Connect the camera to power. Step 3. Connect the camera to Apple in AP mode. Open your phone. Click to Phone Settings. Click to Wireless Networks. Open Wi-Fi. Search for single named ET with numbers. Connect it. The password is 88888888. Connect it. Now the signal is connected. Open the app again. Click to the gear, find the cameras automatically. Click it. Confirm. Please wait. Now you can view the video in AP mode. Step 4. Connect the camera in Wi-Fi mode. Click to the icon. Wi-Fi setting. Open Wi-Fi. Search for local signal. Enter password. Save it. Now the camera will reconnect. Wait for a minute. Now the camera is connected again. It's okay. You can view the video anywhere with Wi-Fi. Thanks.